Hi all, welcome to Anshanaya Academy, Learning German with Ritu. And as you all know, we are doing the A2 series, A2 and B1 series. And these are the potential topics that can come in your speaking and the written exam for A2 and B1 both. So please understand it. I am picking up from all these model test papers. So I think now it is more clear. So Geld spielt in unserem Alltag eine wichtige Rolle. So what are they saying? That the money plays in our day-to-day life a important role. In unserem Alltag you can write, that means in our day-to-day life. Jeden Monat bekommen viele Menschen ein Gehalt oder Taschengeld. So every month many people get either a salary or Taschengeld. So Gehalt oder Taschengeld. Taschengeld is pocket money. Dieses Geld muss man gut einteilen. This much of money, the person should manage it well or divide it well, while man viele verschiedene Aufgaben hat. Because the person has too many different things to do, tasks to do. So we should divide it nicely or, logically. Menschen geben viel Geld sofort aus. Andere sparen lieber und kaufen später etwas größer. So they are saying few people. Manche is few. Few people spend money immediately. Sofort means immediately, and ausgeben is the separable verb, means to spend. So some people spend money immediately. कुछ लोग एकदम से पैसा खर्च कर देते हैं, but others like to save it and buy something big later. बट कुछ लोगों को दूसरे लोग सेव करते हैं मनी को और कुछ बड़ा बाद में लेते हैं. So sparen is the verb which means to save. This is a good line you can note or you can speak. This themes comes in model test papers also in speaking. Ich bekomme zum Beispiel Taschengeld von meinem Eltern. I get pocket money, for example, from my parents. So von is the dative preposition and meinen and Eltern is plural dative. That's why en ending. Jeden Monat plane ich, wofür ich es benutze. Every month I plan for what I'm going to use my pocket money. Wofür is for what. Ein Teil des Geldes für Essen und Trinken mit meinem Freunden. That means a section or a part of money goes for food and drinks with my friends. Ein Teil des Geldes, a part of my money. So please note it down, a part of my money. Es macht mir Freude. It gives me happiness. Mit ihnen Pizza oder Eis zu essen. To have pizza or ice cream with them. Ihnen means them. It is being referred as them. With my friends. Ein anderer Teil ist für Kleidung and another part is for the clothing. Bevor ich etwas kaufe. What is before? Before is before in English. So before I buy anything, vergleiche ich die Preise. I compare the prices, weil ich nicht so viel bezahlen möchte. So one part of one part he gives for food and drinks with the friends. Another part goes for clothing. And before he is saying buy anything, he compares. Vergleichen is the verb which means to compare. He compares the prices because he doesn't want to pay too much. Zufil is too much. So you can use before in this way also, like before and after comma verb, same way the way we use when in your write-ups in speaking. Manchmal kaufe ich auch kleine Geschenke für meine Family und Freunde. Sometimes I buy small gifts for my family and friends from his pocket money. Das ist für mich wichtig, weil Schenken glücklich macht. Again, that is important for me because gifts makes people happy. Wenn ich aber etwas Teures haben möchte, but when I want to have something expensive, Teures is, here it is used as the noun. Zum Beispiel ein neues Handy oder Kopfhörer, for example, a mobile or headphones, dann spare ich für mehrere Monate. Then I say for more months. Mehrere more months. Spare to save. Spare will come before done. Please make this change. So he's saying when I want to buy something expensive, for example, a mobile or headphone, I save for more months. Ich finde das Sparen sehr sinnvoll ist, weil man dadurch lernt, Geduld zu haben. Now this is again very nice line. If you will say that in your exam, you will clear your exams, you will get good marks in your speaking exams. So they are saying that I find that saving is sensible because with that, dadurch, with the help of that, person learns to have patience. What is Geduld? Geduld zu haben, to have patience. Geduld is the noun which means patience. I find it logical. I find it sensible because with that people learn to have patience. मुझे ये सही तरीका लगता है, मुझे ये सही चीज लगती है बिकॉज इससे लोग सब्र रखना सीखते हैं. I'm moving ahead. Natürlich gibt es auch unnötige Ausgaben. There are obviously unnecessary things also. Unnötige, unnecessary, जो जरूरत की नहीं है. Manchmal kaufe ich Dinge, die ich eigentlich nicht brauche, nur weil sie schön aussehen. That's what we do many times. He's saying sometimes I buy Dinge. Dinge is things. So sometimes I buy the things that I actually don't need them, but I just buy it because they are beautiful in looks. Danach merke ich, dass das Geld fehlt. Then later I realize, oh my God, money got spent. Deshalb versuche ich. Versuche means to try. That's why I try today bewusster einzukaufen, to do shopping consciously. That means only buy the things that you need. Don't pick up everything because you are liking it. So that's why I try now to be conscious while doing shopping. Bewusster is to be conscious. Write it down. Ich überlege immer. Überlegen is the synonym of denken. Denken meaning to think. So in A2 and B1, try to write überlegen. Try to use überlegen verb instead of denken. It will be better. So ich überlege immer. I think always. Brauche ich das wirklich oder nicht? Do I need it, really need it or not? Then only I'm going to buy it. Okay. Geld allein macht nicht glücklich, aber ein guter Umgang mit Geld gibt Sicherheit. That means only money cannot make you happy, but the way you are spending your money and how you are managing your money gives you the sense of security. Wer spart und klug einkauft? Who is saving and buying wisely? Hat am Ende mehr Möglichkeit, has more opportunity at the end to fulfill his wishes. Wünsche erfüllen. Very nice combination to fulfill wishes. So he's saying those who are able to save and buy wisely later has more opportunities to fulfill their wishes. जो लोग सेव करते हैं और बाद में खरीदने का सोचते हैं, जो कि उनको बिल्कुल चाहिए, इससे उनके पास ज्यादा ऑप्शन रहती हैं अपनी इच्छाओं को पूरा करने की। ओके, so I am showing you this text again for a minute. You can note down if anything you miss, then we will be starting with a quiz also. So please see if something is left, some important points if you missed, note it down now, pause the video. Okay, fine. So I thought that by now you have paused the video, and now I'm moving ahead for those who have written everything. Okay. I do not want you guys to keep waiting. That's why I am starting. Those who have missed something to write, they can continue writing. Now, what is here is the MCQ. Was macht die Personen mit ein Teil ihres Geldes? What the person does? Does he buy the rent? No. He's buying the furniture. Mobile is furniture, meter is rent. Noted down. He is not traveling to other countries with his pocket money. But yes, he is eating with friends. Ich esse gern Pizza und Eis mit Freunden. Right? Warum vergleicht die Personen die Preise? Why he is comparing the price? Because he doesn't want to spend too much. The B one. Oh, it is not mehr zu geben. No, 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 no. Wenig zu bezahlen. So to pay less. In the B1, it is written to spend more money. No, he's not comparing the prices to spend more money. He's comparing the prices to pay less money. No, C and D are not correct. Not at all. Now, third point. Was kauft die Personen manchmal für ihre Familie und Freunde? What the person buys sometimes for family and friends? Not the books, not the clothing, not the groceries, but yes, he buys the gifts for them sometimes, right? Let's move forward. Wofür is, we have learned for what? For what the person is saving for more months? For mobile or a headphone, right? Not for Ryzen, not for watch or car. Was lernt man durchsparen? Geduld zu sein. Last line, right? To have patience. Person doesn't learn to cook or sports or Schnelligkeit to be fast. Okay? Person learns to have patience. So now, what is the takeaway? We have done this theme. You have learned many new verbs, combinations, vocabulary from this. So I hope this text was useful to you. Write your own text, mix and match, pick up some points from here and make a nice write-up that you can learn for your exam. Okay, till then, take care, and I hope this video helped you to learn better. And wait for my text number 9. We'll do 10 text, important text, then we'll switch to Huron and other activities also. So wait for the next text to come. That is text number 9 with a new theme. Till then, take care. Bye bye. If you like my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and watch all the required videos from starting to end. If you will scroll fast, then you will not be able to understand it. Okay? Bye bye.